Modern day life is full on. There are distractions everywhere. Phones, work, emails, online shopping, advertisements, signposts, social media, the news, WhatsApp, I could go on. It's a constant assault on our senses, and it's pretty hard to escape all of it. That's why I like to come here. The bird hide. I found this place completely by accident, but it instantly became my happy place. Getting into nature, listening to the sound of the birds, the water against the shore, and switching off from the chaos of modern day life. We should really do it more. It's good for us. It's refreshing, peaceful, and most importantly, reminds us we need to live in the moment. Something which is easily forgotten. The hide is a reminder to me that I don't need to be overthinking and struggling with the anxiety of day-to-day life all of the time. I can sit here, watch nature, enjoy the sounds, and instantly everything is okay with the world again.